Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with MarketMuse for content optimization, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the MarketMuse website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the required fields with your information. Enter your full name in the designated field. Provide your email address accurately. Create a strong password that meets the security criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the appropriate field. If available, select your preferred subscription plan. Review the terms and conditions provided on the page. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Complete any CAPTCHA or validation steps if prompted. Once you have filled out all necessary information, click the Register button. Wait for a confirmation email to arrive in your inbox. Open the confirmation email from MarketMuse. Click on the verification link within the email to activate your account. You will be redirected to the MarketMuse login page. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the content optimization tools available within the platform. Follow the guided prompts and tools to begin optimizing your content effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.